Well, hi guys, I'm Mortis from uklocksport.co.uk, and this is a care package from one of my great friends on YouTube from Southampton Lock Picking Club. He mentioned the other day he wanted to send me a care package, and I got a you were out card through the post due to work. So my wife kindly said she'd pick it up today while picking my little lad up from school. They go for a run, bit of a jog and things when you finish your school. So they went to the local post office to pick this up, and there is no way my wife could have put that in a backpack to have a jog, so she had to pick it up and come home. This thing weighs about 5 kilos. Care package, it's absolutely massive. Barry, my friend, can't wait to see what's inside it. I think she might have given herself a hernia carrying this back to the house. So thank you so much, my friend. Want to have a look what's inside it. And by the way, if you still want me to upload the video of me stabbing my fingers with this, I can always pop it on, just not have time due to work. So let's get this open. Like I say, it's huge. I'll try not to cut my fingers, and hopefully it pops open. I don't think the camera's gonna keep being shot too well. I'm cutting away from my fingers. Have a look. There's loads of stuff in this. It says here, got a note inside, Southampton Lock Picking Club. Not going to read the address out, I'll keep that out of the way. Please find enclosed an assortment of locks our club has sent you for picking and toying with, mate, as promised. These do not need to be returned, and if you wish to keep them or pass them on afterwards, that's entirely up to you, my friend. None of the locks enclosed in this package have been adapted, fella, as change locks, that's in brackets, and are all stock, just as we have purchased them or received them as donations. Anyway, hope all is good in, mentions my area there, mate, and the family is doing okay. Weather's been miserable here of late. It has been here. I had hailstone today, Barry, my friend. Enjoy tinkering with them as much as we all have, mate. Hope to hear from you in due course, bud. And until then, take care and keep those videos coming. As always, a pleasure to watch them, mates. With the warmest regards, Barry and all at Southampton Lock Picking Club. So that's the notes. I've just got to fold and address over. Thank you, Barry, my friend. You are a true gent. And all the other gents that you have Southampton Lock Picking Club. Aha, nice little master lock there, like a titanium Mark 5. That's just a bit of packaging there. Wow, there's some amazing locks in there. Black spur, top security. I do not have one of the picks for these disc detainers. I did actually buy one from China a long time ago, and when it arrived the pick tip was sort of snapped on it, so I've never actually used it. But thank you so much, my friend. Combination padlocks. I've never really played with these. I know a good friend that does play with these, so I might have a dabble, then pass this on. Potty 314 loves combination padlocks. Beautiful. Another combination lock. Wow, never seen anything like that. That's a Squire. Sort of armoured shuttered lock. I would love to have a play with that. 100,000 combination, no keys to lose, recordable. I do hope that battery on the camera does not run out while going through these. Fantastic. A bit more packaging there. And it looks like it's finger cutting time. I hope you can see what I'm doing. I apologise if not. Lock still with the retaining screw for the door. It's a Union. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pin. I've got a few of these, they're nice to pick. I'll pop that back in there because I do have a feeling that this battery is going to run out. Now there's some weight in that, leave that for 1 second. A bit more paper, I'll just push that to one side actually. Fragile stickers everywhere, like that. It's a curtained mortise lock. Unsure of the brand. I'm not big on mortise locks, curtained mortise locks. I can pick them but don't know sort of the brand by looking at them. Let's have a look at the keys. 5 lever. It's a Yale. Probably not going to see that, I do apologise. So I'll keep those in there with that. And I will have a play with that with my ICL picks. There is loads and loads of stuff in here. You guys at Southampton Lock Picking Club have outdone yourselves. Barry, there was really no need, my friend. Chub. With the keys and instructions. Thank you again. So I'm going to have to rush through these. That's the key for the chub. I won't show it working. So there's destruction manual in there as well. Like I say, I do apologise if some of this is coming out of camera shots. Looks like some sort of UPVC or door mechanism there by Yale. Again, thank you. Have another play with that. Not sure if that's a wafer lock. Yeah, pop that to one side. Just having to be careful what I throw out, I think. Very well packaged. Yeah, I don't think there's anything else in there. Throw that on the floor. And that weighs an absolute ton itself. I cannot get over how many locks there are in this. Oh, I'm going to have to look into this. Looks like an impressioning type thing, not sure. Unless it's a little lock in there. I'm not going to take that out. I want to look into this a lot more. And then probably do another video on these. I've got to be careful where I put things. So I've got in this one. Let's get them to one side. Rotto. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pinner. Number 50 on the side. Again, due to the amount of locks that are actually in here, I've got to be quick. That's already picked by the looks of it. With plenty of working keys. Or is it picked, or have I just twisted it round? Not sure. Put those keys back in there. Barry, you're an absolute diamond. Oh, yep, I've got a couple of these. They're for actually housing the Gyro cylinders. Once you sort of twisted the camera around in there, they go inside. When picking, it's actually like picking a lock situated in a door. Thank you. I've not got one at that size. My others, or should I say my other one, because I had to give another one to work, is a bit bigger than that. And the lock is a UAP, British kite marked, anti-snap. This is going on forever and ever. Ooh. Zone Mortis Cylinder lock. I have never ever picked one of these zones. Mortis. I picked the sort of Euro locks, but not a Mortis cylinder. Thank you, buddy. You're a gent. Oh, works a treat. And it's Mortis, obviously, because you can see the tail spinning at the back. Beautiful. Put that to one side. Looks like another union. I think this is probably the longest video that I've done. Yeah, another union. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A lot of these unions show 6 pin, but they can actually just be 5 pin. That bitting looks quite nice. So I better quickly put that back in there. This is amazing. These aren't even going to show in camera shots. Huge amount of locks and toys like this. Yeah, I can't obviously show them in camera shot due to the amount. You're an absolute gent, and all you guys there at Southampton Lock Picking Club, take my hat off to you. Amazing package, it really is. I'll get something back off in the post at some time. I've got a couple of care packages that need to go out. first, but definitely get something out to you guys. It probably will not be as big as the one that you sent me, but thank you so much for all these locks. You true gents. It's not a lock picking video, but thanks for watching, happy picking, and always keep it legal. Thanks again, Barry my friend, you're a true gent. Thank you, sir.